In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up approval workflows for new affiliate applicants. If you want to streamline your affiliate program, ensure only qualified affiliates join, and manage your applications efficiently, stick around till the end. There's an exclusive free trial link for the software we're using that you can only get from this channel. Let's dive straight into setting up your approval workflows. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the software you're going to use. There are a lot of great options out there, but after trying a bunch of them, I found this software to be the most intuitive for creating simple but effective workflows. We'll get to that in just a second. Once you've logged into the software, head over to your affiliate management dashboard. From here, you should be able to find an option that says Affiliate Applications or New Applicants. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can view all incoming affiliate applications. The next step is setting up the criteria for approval. This is key to ensuring that only affiliates who align with your brand get approved. Typically, you'll want to set conditions like a minimum follower count, niche relevance, or past promotional performance. Most platforms will allow you to add these criteria in a checklist format. Select the ones that fit your needs, and you can even set custom conditions based on the goals of your affiliate program. Now, let's get into the workflow automation. The software will usually have an option to create an approval workflow. This is where you can automate the decision-making process based on the criteria you set earlier. For example, if an applicant meets the follower count and niche relevance requirements, they can automatically be approved. If they don't meet one of the conditions, the application can be sent for manual review. You'll likely have options for email notifications too, so you can stay updated on every application status. Once the workflow is set up, make sure to test it with a few dummy applications. This ensures that everything runs smoothly, and the right applicants are either approved or denied according to your workflow rules. If you want to take things a step further, many platforms allow you to create approval workflows based on different tiers of affiliates. For example, if you want to offer higher commission rates for top affiliates, you can set up workflows to automatically assign them to the VIP group. Before I finish, here's the key takeaway you need to remember. Setting up approval workflows for new affiliate applicants is all about automating the process to save time and ensure that only the right affiliates join your program. By setting clear criteria and automating the approval process, you can make your affiliate program more efficient and scalable. To recap, the steps are: 1. Choose the right software for setting up affiliate approval workflows. 2. Set your approval criteria based on your affiliate program's goals. 3. Automate your workflows to save time and ensure only qualified applicants are approved. 4. Test the workflow to make sure it's running correctly. And remember, if you want to follow along, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link for the software we used, only available in the description below. Thanks for watching.